For the first time in decades, the FDA has approved a new drug to treat Alzheimer's patients. It comes from Biogen, and part of the clinical trials were done right here in Indianapolis.
That's right. Chances are you or someone you know is touched by this disease. And tonight, this drug is bringing new hope. But as Fox 59's Mike Sullivan shows us, whether it will work or not, well, that is being called into question.
In the eyes of a daughter,
she's always smiling.
Her mother will always be her mother.
Beautiful smile, and her eyes sparkled.
No matter what happens.
In her eyes, she was begging for help.
Dorothy Farrell was just 67.
She went to get gas and forgot how to put gas in the car.
It was the earliest stages of Alzheimer's.
She just loved life.
Even as it faded from her.
This happened to my mother in the 90s. So there was one drug.
For the most part, the medication has stayed that way until now.
It's not a cure. It is to delay the progression.
It's called Aduhelm. Part of the clinical trials happened here in Indy at JWM Neurology.
When you look at the brains of patients with Alzheimer's dementia, they have accumulation of these amyloid plaques.
Scientists believe the degree of these plaques relate to the severity of Alzheimer's.
Okay.
Bring it up.
That's okay. In this particular trial, they were looking at whether or not the medication decreased the burden or the level of amyloid plaque.
Dr. Cindy McGarvey is a neurologist at JWM.
The FDA went along and gave approval to it because this may be the beginning of a research modality that might help, even if this particular drug is not the final one we end up on.
McGarvey says Biogen's research showed only the highest dosage slowed cognitive decline in one trial, but the company couldn't repeat it.
Isn't there a controversy about every new drug?
Dr. McGarvey says about 40% of trial patients showed brain swelling that would need to be followed by a physician.
I think many neurologists are going to be very hesitant to put all their patients on this medication.
Yet for loved ones like Pat.
This is where she lost the sparkle in her eyes and her smile.
Any chance at more time is a risk worth taking.
Absolutely. She's not going to get better without it. If she doesn't get better with it, I mean, what are we losing?
In Indianapolis, I'm Mike Sullivan, Fox 59 News.
Hope perhaps for a lot of families. Mike, thanks. The drug costs about $50,000 a year without Medicare or insurance. She's hoping the FDA approval will push more companies to look for cures.